Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl, chanellenovosey. I hope you all are doing amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing DIY. It's going to be super cute. I got these printable quotes from Totally Dazzled. If you guys have not heard of them, I've worked with them before. They have the most amazing brooches, and they sent me over these amazing quotes which have some of the most fantastic quotes on them, and I thought that they were absolutely adorable. Okay, so what I decided to do was to get some wooden books that you can get from the craft store, and it can be like keepsake boxes or great for home decor, and we're going to decorate them and put the quotes right on front of them. It's going to be so cute. I cannot wait to show you guys. I wanted to do it in 3 different styles, so I'm going to be showing you how to make it in a rose gold color, a gold metallic color, and also a silver metallic, because they sent me all 3 different types of brooches in the cards, so I wanted to show you guys what it will look like with each different color. So that's what we're going to be doing for today's DIY. And I also wanted to show you that you can add these quotes to picture frames, which I already did right here. These are so nice. I got these picture frames from the Dollar Tree, and these are a gold color picture frame. All you do is just take your printable quote and add it right in the inside. And then I took one of the brooches, they come in packs of 10, and I added it to the bottom of my picture frame. It is so cute and so sparkly. I love it. This is perfect for your office or even for your home. So head over to the link in the description box and you guys can get these free of charge. So click the link down below so you can get them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on today's DIY. So here's my silver box once it's completely dry. I did go ahead and I spray painted the inside as well as the back of the wooden box as well. So I'm going to take my sign that says do more of what makes you sparkle, and I'm going to use some E6000 and adhere to the top of my wooden box. So next what I'm going to do is take some bling wrap that I got from Totally Dazzled as well, and I'm going to place it all the way around my quotes and cover the top of the book. So once you've measured out all of your bling wrap, go ahead and apply your E6000 to adhere it down. Next, I'm going to take some more bling wrap and measure around the side of the book to add it to the cover. And just measure all the way around, and you're going to add it just to this section right here and cut off the excess. Then add some E6000 to the side of your book. And you're going to place your bling wrap right on top of that. So next I'm going to take some of my brooches and add them to the cover of my book as well. Don't forget to remove the back of the pins from the brooches. So here's the gold wooden box after I have spray painted it, and this one is the rose gold. So they turned out beautiful. I love them. You can get these beautiful bling wraps from Totally Dazzled as well, and they match perfectly with the spray paint color, which is what I love. This is the regular gold and this is the rose gold, and they come with the matching brooches in 10 packs as well. So I'm going to follow the same process and add my beautiful quotes right to the front of my boxes, and then add my bling wrap all the way around them, okay? And to save time, I'm gonna add bling wrap to the full top of the cover and then add the quote right on top. I just wanna see how it works out. If it doesn't lay flat, I'll follow the same process for the next one. So I added another brooch to the side of my gold book. And so I'm going to do the same thing for my rose gold as well as my silver. I took 2 of the flat brooches and I'm going to place them right on the side of the books as well. And here's the finished product. These turned out beautiful. I love the variations from the silver, the rose gold to the gold. I'm so happy I didn't just do one color. I wanted to see what they all look like, and they all are different yet beautiful. I'm going to allow these to dry for a few hours. Let me know down below, are you team silver, rose gold, or gold? I'll also be doing a poll on my YouTube community tab, which I do very often. I love asking you guys questions, and seeing you all's responses have been amazing. I do things like 2 truths and a lie, would you rather, and I also ask you guys questions which help me decipher what sort of a DIY I'm going to record. So be sure to interact with those. They are very helpful, and thank you so much. Also, if you have enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Everything I use will be listed in the description box. Also, a link over to Totally Dazzled where you can get these free downloadable quotes will also be listed there as well. I'll see you all really soon. Have a beautiful day. Ta-ta.